Welcome to Therasee, your platform for securely managing your client information and interactions, simplifying your workflow, and enhancing your practice's efficiency. Follow these steps to add a new client. To add a client, first click on Clients from the sidebar. Then click on Add Client. Select Add Client manually. Enter the name of the client. Please continue with the next steps. Enter their phone number. Enter their email address. Enter the client's date of birth. This step is optional. Select the client's gender. This step is optional. You can set a status for the client, such as active, inactive, or prospect. This allows you to easily filter and identify the client's current status with your practice from the clients list and client profile. To send an email invitation to your client, select Invite Client to your portal. This allows the client to access the client portal via your unique registration link. Then click on Address and enter the client's address. This step is optional. Enter address details for the client. This step is optional. Click on Emergency Contact and enter the emergency contact details. This step is optional. Select Register to finish adding the client. Then you're all set. Your client has been successfully added to Therasee. Close the modal to return to the Clients table. To view the client you added, click on their name in the Clients table. Within the client profile, you can edit or add information for the client from the Profile Info tab. You have a number of other tabs within the client profile, which I'll guide you through now. Appointments tab, which allows you to view and manage the client's appointments. Files tab, allowing you to easily manage, add and edit new and existing files relating to the client. Click here to assign a practitioner to the client. Therasee allows you to manage all aspects of client interactions and information, ensuring a smooth and efficient process for your practice.